Sahal bin Saad says, when Munzir bin Abi Usaid was born, he was taken to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam settled him on his thigh, while Hazrat Abu Usaid radiyallahu anhu was still sitting. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got busy with something in front of him. So Hazrat Abu Usaid radiyallahu anhu commanded to lift his son, and the baby was lifted from the thigh of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Where is the baby?" Hazrat Abu Usaid radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we had picked him up." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What is his name?" He submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his name is so and so." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No, but his name is Munzir." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then named him Munzir that day. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5586.